Hey there, here is a quick tutorial on how to draft a built-up collar with a front V opening. Firstly, I have prepared a basic bodice pattern, and here is the back pattern. The neckline measurement I used for the back basic neckline is 3.5 inches in width by 2.5 inches in depth for a bust 43 inches. Firstly, I will measure about 1/2 inch away from the neck point, after which I will extend the shoulder slant towards the center front like so. Next, I will measure 1/2 inch inwards on the extended shoulder slant towards the center front like so. And on this line, I will rule a straight line towards the top of the paper like so. This line will determine the preferred height for the eye collar, and I want mine to be 2 inches. So I will mark 2 inches like so. This line looks too angled, so I will use my pattern master to give it a nice curve like so. Then I measure about 4 inches from the neck point downwards, and I measure 1/4 inch outward from the neck point. You can do 1/2 inch if you want it to be freer, and I will just rule a slant line connecting the 2 points like so. This step is very optional though. You can actually just rule the extension from the neckline without a slant if you want the collar to be firmer around the neck. Next is to join the neckline with a straight line like so, and then I will create a curve with a 1/4 inch point or 1/2 inch if you want, and I create a cuffed neckline like so. So when I am cutting, I will be cutting on this line. I already made front bodies. It has a bustier and a shoulder dart detail. Anyway, what we need in this pattern is the neckline as it is. For the basic neckline, I used 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches for bust 43. If you need to calculate your accurate neck size, just divide your bust measurement by 12 and you will get the accurate neck size figure. So the next thing I will be doing is, from the neck point, I measure 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch if you want outward like so, and I mark it. Then from the actual neck point, I will go in by 1/2 inch like so. Now from the actual neck point, this point here, following the shoulder slant, I will rule a slant line to 2 inches from the actual neckline like so. So from this point, I will measure 1/2 inch upward like so, and this will be the new neck point. So now I will take my back pattern and measure this curve like so. After measuring, what I have is 2.5 inches. So back to the front, I will measure 2.5 inches slight curve from the neckline to the new neck point like so. The next thing is to determine the length of the V neckline and for me it's 4 inches from the base of the neck. You can go shorter or longer if you want. So I will mark 4 inches and then join this point to the neck point with a curve like so, and that's it. The high collar neckline is ready. Please guys, if at any point you have questions for me regarding my tutorials, do not hesitate to drop them in the comment section for me, and I will respond to them as soon as I can. So guys, till the next time you'll be hearing from me, be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and have yourself some fabulous time.